Hi, myself Fiza Khan, and I'm glad that I started my career as a cosmetologist. After 12th, I came across to know about the course Cosmetology in Health, and then I took admission in Mirabai Institute of Technology, which is now DSU. This course does not only include theoretical knowledge but huge practical knowledge also. And हम practical जो करते हैं वो हम लोग dummies के ऊपर and अपनी friends के ऊपर, colleagues के ऊपर and co-workers के ऊपर करते हैं, जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा friendly environment बन जाता है and हम fun के साथ learning करते हैं. This includes many subjects like dietetics, yoga, hair care, Ayurveda and whatnot. After opting and completing this course, you can become a hairstylist, yoga instructor, makeup artist, skin therapist. You can open your own salon and academy, and you can also work as a freelancer. Talking about the teachers here are super supportive. They teach us every single detail about every single thing and बहुत ज़्यादा support करते हैं हमको. हम बहुत ज़्यादा creative बन जाते हैं इस course को लेके. And if you are eager to interact with new people and love to help others in reaching their beauty and fitness goals and also love to learn new techniques, you should definitely opt for this course.
Hello, myself Nidhi Goswami, Faculty of Cosmetology and Health Department, DSU Campus, Maharani Bagh. Beauty and personal care industry are one of the fastest growing sectors in India. Changing lifestyle and growing awareness have contributed to a significant development in India's beauty and wellness industry. The beauty industry is as old as the idea of beauty itself. Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University ने बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंट भी किए हैं, जिनके न्यू करिकुलम को डिज़ाइन करते समय हमने अपने कोर्स में बहुत सारे नए सब्जेक्ट्स को ऐड किया है, जैसे कि आयुर्वेदा, पंचकर्मा, नेल आर्ट, हेयर डिज़ाइनिंग कोर्सेज और बहुत कुछ. Choosing this course is a very good idea because when we talk about careers in cosmetology, many spheres of work come to mind like makeup artist, aesthetician, nail artist, hair designer to say the least. And career prospects also include yoga instructor, fitness consultant and many more. क्योंकि इस सब्जेक्ट में हम स्लिमिंग एंड फिटनेस, आयुर्वेदा, इन सब को बखूबी जानने के लिए इस कोर्स में बहुत सारे एडिशंस भी किए गए हैं और ये कोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड बना दिया गया है. एंड दिस कोर्स इज़ ओल्डेस्ट डिप्लोमा इन इंडिया रन बाय दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट सिंस 1975. And earlier it was known as beauty culture. In the year 2010, the nomenclature of the course was changed to cosmetology and health, and it is a 3 years course. क्योंकि ये 3 years course इंडिया में सिर्फ इसी कॉलेज में, इसी इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ाया जाता है. And the curriculum is being designed keeping in mind the requirement of the industry and in which the students get in-depth knowledge of inner and outer body. The content includes knowledge about the skin and hair as well as the elementary knowledge of anatomy and of the body. एयर ब्रश मेकअप एक बहुत ही नई टेक्निक है जिसे हमने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. स्टरलाइजेशन, सैनिटाइजेशन जो आज के सिनेरियो में बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल अदा करता है, उसे और ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल बेस बनाया गया है. पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, क्योंकि जब स्टूडेंट पास आउट होकर निकलते हैं तो उनमें कॉन्फिडेंस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसलिए इस कोर्स को हमने और भी प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड बनाया है. सो आफ्टर पासिंग आउट the student can also apply in government sectors as vocational instructor, craft instructor, training officer and also lecturers. Many students eventually go on to start their own businesses also, and they also work directly from home as freelance cosmetologists. So come and join to start a new and enterprising career in cosmetology and health.